you got going on here?
Replacing the front suspension, well, all the suspension actually with the QA1 suspension. The driver's side's already done. You want to look at that? But
What you got in the back?
I don't know what all we got for the back. I know we got a sway bar for the back and coils and shocks for the back. And then control arms, I think.
And then we got vintage air.
And vintage air.
69 GTO. He also has the an air intake kit in the trunk that he would like to see. Is kind of like a Ram Air 3 or Ram Air 4 where it actually uses those vents. So we'll save that for last, but see if that's something that we can use or not. We'll have to see.
Okay.
And we got to paint the front nose. Hey, have you named this car yet? No? So you got it all sitting on the frame now?
Yeah. On frame. Bolt it in.
Maybe here on the other side. We're gonna move that fuel tank up. Yeah. Thing's sitting about what, 3 inches off the ground?
Yeah.
And luckily we got some room there.
Tunnel out right here.
You gotta put the floor in first or what?
No,
Or you don't need to?
No, we're gonna.
With it sitting on the frame now, it's secure, right?
So we're gonna.
Got some Ride Tech 4-link.
Yep. Now we're gonna find something that's circular and about that wide.
She's low. She looks good. We got the 71 Nova back in from Charleston. Customer was having some issues with the Fiatech. He put about 400 miles on it. It still wasn't running very good. So checking it out for him. It's a self-learning system and it wasn't learning. Did you get your hair cut again?
Oh, I just got it. I got my roots done.
It looked like it was shorter there for a second.
Uh-uh.
Huh.
I just usually have my hat on. It covers it all up.
You miss having long hair?
Sometimes, but it's cooler.
Grow it back out? Well, it'll take a while, but I love these windows, these front windows like that. You about to get it?
Yep, we're going to prime the jams, and then we're going to slick sand the truck.
Then
That's
fine
what
tuner.
I think. Yep.
Where's everybody at?
Up there.
Zach?
Yeah, they left
And-
me all by myself.
Huh. You feel better today?
Yeah. Kinda.
Okay, Tyler's got the old air box out of the 59 Impala. Made some cover plates for it. We're waiting on one part to come in today. Remaining part for the AC. And then he can finish putting it together, paint the fender, and do some test miles and get it back to the customer. Okay, I don't know if you guys saw last week with the car on the ground, well, still on skates, but get an idea of what this Olds looks like. They got the fender skirts back off of it, but it sits really low. It looks awesome.
Beautiful.
Motor getting ready to go back in.
I don't know. It looked like it still had a little bit to do while we were up there. But Travis had a little more to do. See, look, it fell but a few more. And it's rolling backwards.
What you doing? Wrapping Christmas presents again? Caught you off guard.
I was sitting there thinking, like, I'm going to start talking because Jeremy's not here.
Yeah.
He had a big old mouth. I got to fill his shoes.
Yeah.
Do you want
That's
me to
some
get-
big shoes to fill right there now.
I'll call him and get some tips.
I think you do all right on your own. Did 36 doors.
36 doors and Bronco windshield frame.
Bronco windshield frame. Look at this boy's work, man. It's like a Christmas present, boy. Clean.
Hey, new guy.
They ain't seen me yet.
They haven't?
No.
Oh man, y'all gonna have a shocker. We got a new guy.
He's head of QC.
So shouldn't you be doing this part?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Ew.
Where we at on this K5?
We are drowning.
Drowning?
No, just things we're finding we're not liking. Having to go back and touch up, but I think we've gotten through the big majority of it.
Yeah.
So we gotta get this thing
QC
rolling.
guy just found something. That little spot right there.
Hey, we ain't done that yet.
No, that's what they always say when the QC guy comes around. We ain't got there yet.
No, we hadn't.
So, what Big Block do on Labor Day weekend?
Nothing.
Rest?
I needed to rest.
You want to see what I did on Labor Day weekend?
What'd you do? Dang. Are y'all shocked? Because we were. We thought we done hired another new guy. I still can't look at him right.
You still taking a double take, ain't you?
Yeah, I'm not. Man, you got a chin?
Yeah. I got my daddy's chin.
What you gonna, like, peach fuzz it now, or?
I figure I can shave when I want to, and when I don't, I don't. So,
There you go.
every
That
couple
makes
days probably.
Yeah,
I won't do it every day.
I hear you.
So I hear we got the windows in the bus in the back.
I haven't seen it yet, but I know they've been back there working.
So
That's a good thing.
getting close on that.
Yeah, we put the hood on this morning.
We have to go back there and check it out.
I believe we got a couple more adjustments we're gonna have to do on it to get it lined up just right. We got it on there. You're also gonna be shocked about something else.
I am?
Yeah. When you go in there and see it, you'll know exactly what it is.
All right, I'm gonna go check it out.
You can check it out. Let me know what you think.
All right. Big Block out.
Big block out.
Come here, let me talk to you real quick about something. This green bean we got here.
Yeah.
This is Carter's daily driver,
Yeah.
and it's missing something.
Yeah.
What happened here?
So, I was driving home on my lunch hour one day, and I heard a really loud hissing noise, and then a clunk, 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 clunk. And I thought the belt just came off, like it broke or whatever, but my water pump decided to blow up. And I've been getting parts together for an LS swap, so.
So what's the big deal with the water pump? Is it in the motor? Is that the issue with this thing?
I mean, it's half in the motor, but it wasn't hard to change, but I already had a V8 sitting over there.
So you're building up the LS to put in here.
Yeah.
You gonna be able to run your 5-speed with it?
Yep.
I got an adapter plate from Poland, and it adapts the BMW transmission to the LS.
All right, how close you getting?
Depends on how hard I work, I guess.
You got a conversion kit, or is it gonna slip right back in there?
I don't know. I'm gonna have to make my motor mounts and stuff like that, but
Yeah.
everything else should fit. And I'll have to make a standalone wiring harness.
You're gonna get some tickets when you get done with that, ain't you?
Probably.
Yeah.
It'll be fun.
Let's see what's going on in here. Dang. Big Block said I noticed something in here, and I guess, is it clean stuff off the floor or what? I know the seat, maybe it's the seats out of Apache. Huh.
I guess probably two awesomest guys that work in the shops back here.
All right, what's up? Yeah. Oh, Nate Dog, but you ain't awesome, are you? You're great. Right?
Well, I thought he was kind of talking about me. I was.
He said too awesome. You're
Yeah.
great, right?
Well, I can be qualified as awesome also.
That's on your down days?
Mm-hmm.
Huh. Okay.
Worrying about 75%.
70 when you're running 75%. I saw a little white and gold vehicle being rolled up to the front shop.
Yes, sir.
Is this the heartbeat of it right here?
Yes. It is going to be the heartbeat.
Yeah.
Getting closer. We got the glass in.
Got the glass in on the bus. Do a good job.
Looks okay.
He said something about a corner piece.
Yeah. I think it's with MIA somewhere.
You talking about chrome trim?
Oh, corner.
Huh. It's coming together.
Waiting on some more parts.
What we waiting on now? Something I ordered hadn't come in yet?
Something he's supposed to order out of that book.
Oh, he's gonna come Thursday. Bring everything.
Little corner pieces for the bumper. We got to paint that back piece.
You already got it made? The
Oh,
engine
it's body
piece?
work, yeah. Waiting on them little pieces for the doors. Put the door glass in. Really put the door glass in. And that rear piece and door panels.
Probably gonna have to get a new battery.
Don't we always?
Nate Dog, what day is it?
Well, yeah, it is Wednesday, ain't it?
It's
Nick Dog Day.
yeah.
Should throw a
Put some
party.
jute in the old Apache.
Yeah.
You gonna be full force on the Apache from now until showtime?
I don't know. It's what the higher ups say.
Is that their name now, the higher ups?
Yeah. I get word from the powers that be.
Huh. That's a you got quite a bit of wires there, don't we?
Yeah, we're gonna cut some of those out. We don't need all those wires.
You like using this jute better than that Dynaliner, don't you?
Some people are using closed cell foam and stuff. I don't know how well that holds up. Y'all gonna be driving this, beating on her.
Yeah. You wanna drive it?
You let me drive it?
If you want to.
Okay.
You didn't think I'm gonna let you drive it?
No.
I trust you ain't gonna tear it up.
Have you seen my car?
I think they came that way.
Yeah, we'll go with that.
I retract my last statement.
Nope.
I retract my last statement.
No take backs.
All right, guys, we got us a new Freightliner FL60 hauler for showtime. We'll be putting a wrap on it hopefully soon. Probably, I don't know if it'll be before our next show in Lexington, Kentucky in October. Probably not. It just depends on what all we got going on, what we got time for. But got something a little bit better and bigger than the F350 dually to haul it.
First thing you noticed?
Well, there's a couple things I noticed.
What was the first thing?
It was cleaner on the floor.
And
The Bronco, all the stuff around the Bronco, the hood was on it, and the seat was out of the Apache. He's putting jute in the floor, and the windows were done on the VW, and Travis is putting the motor together. So what else I missed?
table.
The table's
That's the
cleaned
biggest
off?
thing. Yeah, he's cleaned off the table.
It was.
I didn't notice that, sorry.
Anyway. Did you go to like a rejuvenation clinic?
For what?
You look like
Young?
15 years younger.
I've always looked younger than what I am. I hope I keep that as I grow older.
A lot of people don't know that I'm 47.
You ain't no damn 47. You like 21,
No.
18,
Nah.
33.
Yep.
Yeah.
Young buck.
Ty Yeller, how old are you?
33.
33?
34, 33.
So it's me, then Travis, and then you two. Let's see. I mean, technically.
What about Nate? Nate's like 41, 42.
No, yeah, Nate's up there. Travis and Nate are 40.
How old are you?
51. Yeah. Yeah, I am. I could be y'all's daddy if I had a kid at an early age.
He really don't look your age.
Born in 1968.
It makes a difference now because you did have a salt and pepper beard,
Yeah.
but
Tyler, if he didn't have his beard on, he would look
12.
he would look young.
he's a man that has to continue to have his beard, just like myself. Just can't go without it.
Got the nose off the GTO, having to do some body work yet. They're known for bubbling up. Paint's bubbled up on it. Got the new Holley Sniper EFI on there. Working on that. Carter's been working on that today. Tyler's been working on the 59 Impala AC. Right? You been working on AC?
Yeah. AC boxes hung inside. Everything inside's done.
Just wiring it up.
Wiring it, running the lines to the condenser and the motor, and making some brackets to hang the condenser. Other than that, it's done.
Done.
Moving along.
I think he took a day off on the Olds to work on the GTO. Travis is finishing up the motor on the Olds, Hurst Olds.
I know something you don't know. Maybe you do.
There he is again.
Trying to be sneaky.
Them bright shoes give you away, though.
Man, I've been sitting there for 5 minutes. Hey, you had a job to do from yesterday to today, and that is,
I forgot.
you know what that is, don't you?
Yeah. Facetious.
Facetious.
Yeah, I'll have to look it up, get the exact definition. That's like being a smart ass.
Are you being facetious
I'm
or
being.
pugnacious? Somebody called me
I'm
a
gonna
flake.
be
Hey, tell me what this means.
incognito.
I want to know what this means because I think it's slang today. Somebody called me a flake on social media last night.
Somebody called you a flake.
Yeah,
Why'd they call you a flake?
facetious. Read it.
Treating serious issues with deliberately inappropriate humor.
Serious issues with inappropriate humor. So somebody called me a flake. They're talking about that 68 Nova. You know the post I put out there? And it had a little smoke coming out. And they were talking about Chevy smoke. And I'm like, dude, I mean, do you know if it's been tuned? Do you know if the carburetor's been adjusted? You know if it's the first start up? So I ended up banning him, but I should have went back and said, man, you are sure being pugnacious.
You should have.
Y'all need to, when y'all see that, y'all need to blast them.
There's a lot of keyboard warriors.
I've been incognito.
What you call them?
Keyboard warriors.
That hey man, they can diagnose something from a picture.
Yeah.
I mean, we need to hire them people. Damn, if they that good.
That's what I'm doing. I'm doing incognito.
What was the word again?
Facetious.
Facetious. Well, the 36 Ford got slick sand, and it's looking good, ain't it?
Yeah. Still needs a little bit of love, though.
Oh yeah, still working.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Are you on the phone?
No. Yeah.
What, you putting the door back on?
Yeah. Trying to get it lined up. It's not wanting to cooperate.
Shot ball. That's why we don't have a whole lot of footage. We're in here and we're working, and you up there like looking down on us saying,
Well, don't you want me to, so I'm safe? When you fly in the airplane?
I'm gonna have to definitely feel safe because I ain't never been in an airplane, and I'm about to be drugged.
Drug? Oh, you'd be alright.
Like literally drugged on.
You'd be alright.
When am I gonna fly?
I don't know. Huh?
I want to fly.
You gonna take us all on a little
Look,
flight?
he wants to fly now.
You gonna take us all on a flight?
Well, I might not be able to take all at one time, but we can go up.
What's the wavelength?
Yeah, once I get on there, it's over with.
Well, me and you might create some problems.
That didn't mean sunshine.
No, I just had to be I had to be in a co-pilot seat with you.
No, you probably have to be in second seat. Me and you in the front, too heavy, getting that nose off the ground.
Be like, that'd be a cool
I'll be
little
like-
stunt. That'd be a cool stunt.
No, we ain't gonna do no stunt. We not talking about no stunt.
I thought you'd been practicing.
Yeah, but that
You
ain't
said you was doing
ain't-
barrel rolls and
No, I didn't say
flip
that.
flaps and doing a flippy flop,
I said stalls and steep turns.
stalls and steep. Oh man, you get up there and turn the engine off while you're in the middle there?
No, you simulate stalls.
That ain't, you ain't been practicing those stalls then. You gotta do the real thing.
No.
Things got trailblazer stall in it.
I mean, like you like act like it's about to die, like.
Well, you got
cut the power or
the
something.
airplane up in the air like this, and it's shaking, about ready to roll off, and you have to recover from it.
What would make it do that in the natural sense?
Lose the engine on takeoff, lose the engine in the air, you know, get your speed too low. That plane right there does not like to go slow. You get slow, you get hurt.
How many parachutes you got?
None. We ain't got no parachute.
You ain't got to keep one?
A what?
You don't have to keep one in there? It ain't like a boat. You gotta have life jackets.
No, you landed. You ain't jumping out of it.
Well, I'm jumping out. We're coming in hot.
Watching this week's episode of Shop Walk. Our videos are posted every Friday at 7 p.m. We'll see you next week.